As you can see on the screen, the title of the poem, A Photograph. A Photograph is a poem which has been penned down by Shirley Toussaint. As I said, that this poem talks about the relationship, the intensity which some relationship has. In this poem, the poetess has also described how deeply she feels the loss of her mother. Dear students, the relation between a child and his or her mother is something very unique and you can say out of this world. It is also being said that when the child is away from his or her mother, and if he or she is in pain, the mother can feel and get and can sense the pain her child is going through. This is something which we, in other words, can say an unspoken bond. In this poem also, Shirley Toussaint talks about her mother who has been dead for more than 12 years now. यानी कि यहाँ पर जो पोएटेस हैं उनकी मॉम की डेथ हुए ऑलमोस्ट अब 12 साल से ज़्यादा हो गए हैं, राइट? एंड थ्रू दिस पोएम फोटोग्राफ the poet tries to recalls how her mother used to look at that photograph. मतलब इस पोएम में एक फ़ोटोग्राफ की बात हो रही है जो पोएटस की मम्मी अक्सर देखा करती थी और वो फ़ोटो उनकी मम्मी की बचपन की थी. सो शी यूज़ टू whenever see that photograph she used to recall her old childhood days. She says that when that photograph was taken, her mother was just a girl of about 12 years old. The photograph also shows the mother with two of her girl cousins on a sea beach. मतलब जब शर्ली टाउसेंट की मम्मी 12 ईयर्स की थी वो तब उस समय में उनकी फ़ोटोग्राफ खींची गई थी और उनमें उस फोटो में उनके साथ उनकी 2 सिस्टर कज़न्स भी हैं. एंड ऑल द 3 गर्ल्स आर स्माइलिंग इन दैट फोटोग्राफ. एंड वो जो फ़ोटो खींची है इट इज़ बीन टेकन बाय देयर अंकल, राइट? एंड द मदर जो उस समय फ़ोटो में she was her smile represented about those happy days. She was so happy while she was smiling. It was reflected in her smile. She would laugh while taking off that sea holiday, talking about that sea holiday. So when she used to tell Shirley Toussaint ki when I was small we went for a sea holiday, she was so happy and enthusiastic recalling her that sea holiday. But since then a great change had come in the mother by that time. But that was her basically childhood, right? And in childhood the life is free from all sort of fears, right? When the mother was young, a child, she was free from all the worries of society. She was free from all sort of responsibilities. हर तरह की जिम्मेदारी से वो बिल्कुल फ्री थी. So she was relaxed. And वही relaxation, वही बेपरवाह जो फीलिंग होती है हमारे दिमाग में जिसके लिए हमें किसी चीज़ की चिंता करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती ना, तो दैट इज़ बीइंग रिफ्लेक्टेड ऑन आवर फेस. बट नाउ शी वॉज अ मिडल एज्ड वुमेन and she had a daughter. Who was the daughter? Shirley Toussaint was the daughter itself. All her former liveliness was gone. जैसी वो बचपन